JetPens, Marcy here. I'm going to squeeze in a quick share. Happy Mail Day. And I wasn't expecting all this. Well, I was expecting this. But I wasn't really expecting all this today. I just got a shipping notification on this yesterday. And then I got the delivery notification today. But that's what happens to me with Simply Gilded, because they're just about local to me. And so I get their packages quickly. This one I've been waiting on anxiously. This is JetPens. And I'm going to open it, show you what's inside, but we're not going to play with this today because I've been waiting on this for another project. And I'll talk a little bit about that in a minute. But, and this in a minute. So, by the way, while I'm fidgeting, you can look at the gorgeous foil on this box. I wish they wouldn't put the shipping label on these gorgeous boxes because they're just too beautiful. But they do. And I'll deal with it. Love the boxes though. They're so pretty. Okay. In the Amazon order is another Kaweco. And it has the collector's tin box, which I'm so excited and pleased to have. Let me see if it's the same. Oh no, I can tell already it's different than the other one. The sleeve here is black and this one's brown and different, but that could be the theme because this one was the brown pen. So the tins are actually the same. It's just the sleeve that's different. And then this is an add-on. It did not come with my pen. The last time I ordered a pen, these pens, they came with the clip. This one is an add-on, and I'll show you. It's a little different. It's fancier. Fancy, but you can see the fanciness when I actually put it on the pen, the shape. Okay, and okay, get into the goodies. Of course we have, is that the sticker? Yeah, the sticker in that one is a foiled sticker, and then we have a little instruction or history book for it. And then this is, whoop, whoop, you know I love rose gold. See it on my scissors? Love rose gold. Did I bring my other? Okay, yes, this is the TWSBI Echo Rose Gold and White. And so I have another TWSBI coming. Actually, it might be in that box. I have another TWSBI. No, it's not in that box. It's coming. I don't know. You enjoying the conversation as I'm arguing with myself? Okay, so this is a gorgeous rose gold, and on my camera screen, it's just looking like gold. Yeah, it's just looking like gold, not really a pink rose gold. So on the TWSBI, it's a mini pen, and it's great for pocket. So you can see as I'm holding it in my hand, the length of the pen when it's not posted, and then the length of the pen posted. It's very compact. And then this one, the Pilot ES95, is similar when it's not, when it's just as the pen. And then when you post it, it is longer. It turns it into almost a normal pen. But we'll do some fountain pen sharing and comparing in another video. I love that. That friction slide on that. Love it. It's so smooth. Okay, and I'm excited about this. I did order. So this comes with a cartridge. I did order the converter. There we go. And this is just the blue ink. I did order the converter, and so I'm going to save the cartridge. I'm not going to pop it in yet because my converter is still, I'm still waiting on its arrival, and I want to use it first. So I just want to do a quick share here on this, and let's adorn the pen with the pen clip. And I think I'll put it here. So it's the hexagon shape, and it has, I did get the silver so it can match the end cap. Ooh, there we go. And it is like a fancier shape than the ones that I have here. And I did share this one in a video when it came in. So this brown pen came in the tin as a collector's edition. And this macchiato I already had. So I just added it because there's a holder for 2 pens and they're in the brown family. So I just put them together. But you can see the difference in the pen clips. These are flat and they do not have any inscribed deco. Oh, just one. And this one is decorated and it has a little bit of flair. So the pen clips are different. And then I'm going to put these away because I don't want this whole video to be about pens. We're going to do a video about pens on another day. I just love these little adorable, cute pens. And I love the collector's tins and say I enjoy them. I enjoy them a great deal. Okay, so real quick, I do want to get into the JetPens box because I think there's a pen in there. I have another order coming. So we will see. They packaged it nicely. It's the same size box as the one that I've already received. I ordered JetPens and Goulet Pens at the same time. I ordered some inks because I really am shopping for the gorgeous perfect ink for this pen. And so packed nicely and safely. See, wow. Gonna have a lot of struggle getting into some plastics here. Okay, remove the bubble wrap and the plastic on this Blue Ocean. This is J. Urban. I'm gonna open it from the bottom so I don't look at that label. This is J. Urban, and it is a glitter or a glimmer shimmer ink. Blue Ocean, if I look at the bottom, you can see the gold flakes in there. And I don't want to shake it and cause bubbles, but if we hold it upside down and turn it around, this gold will, as you can see, it's disappearing from the bottom, mix into the rest of the ink, and it'll be a gorgeous ink for writing. The bottle is pretty. Okay. So there's one. I'm thinking I may not get to the Simply Gilded box on this video because there's too much good stuff. And then as I was putting my box aside, I took a TWSBI Mini. Oh, wow. This came quickly. Lots of good packaging material to keep your pens safe. Is there more tape? Yes, more tape. All right. Inside the protective case, we have the gorgeous TWSBI. This is the Diamond 580 Mini. And it twists. This is a piston filler. So we will twist it down and fill the rose gold nib. Of course, the reason I ordered it was for the rose gold and white. And I really enjoy using this one. This is the Echo T. This is the normal size pen. So I'm anxious to get this inked up. I ordered, well, part of the inks that I will show you from Goulet Pens is going to be part of this whole setup and sharing system. So let me move this aside. These are just little plastic horseshoes that hold it. And oh, and just the little dewdrop stamp pad. So that's just a quick addition to my order. I'm anxious to jump in and show you all the good stuff. So, humorous part. As I was moving aside my JetPens box, I found the other JetPens order that I was waiting on. It came in, so I was waiting on this one to come in so I could share like everything together. And now I'm gonna have to sort it and make sure I have what I have. But yeah, we're gonna get all this out and share a new pen video and new ink video. So this again is a shimmer ink, and this is Robert Oster Rose Gilt Tint. Again, these are choices that I made in searching for the perfect ink for the Pilot E95S. And then while I was on JetPens website, I actually placed another order for some fun stuff. So this is the Pelican Twist, again in rose gold, and it has cartridges. So we'll take a look at that when we get into the sharing video. And then we have, what do we have? Oh, okay, this is the glass pen. This is my glass nib pen, and I'll show you that. It's just for swatching my inks. So you have the beautiful, if I can focus, the beautiful glass nib. And that's just for doing some ink swatches, which I will show you what I've set up for that, because we're having another whole video going on with fountain pen day, fountain pen inks. And then one more thing that came in as I'm waiting for it all to arrive together. And this is from Goulet Pens. This is the Robert Oster, and this one is Rose Gold Antiqua. So again, it's a shimmer ink. And then the rest from Simply Gilded happens to be samples. I'm not Simply Gilded, I'm confusing myself. The rest from Goulet Pens is small sample bottles, because I ordered a lot in the burgundy line that I want to try to experiment with. And let's see what we have here. Well, I'm going to have a fun fountain pen swatching day coming up, because all my orders have come in and now I need to get everything sorted out and ready. Monteverde Red Velvet, Noodler's Red Black, and then Diamine Syrah, and we have Private Reserve Black Cherry from Goulet Pens, and Diplomat Burgundy. So these are just samples. I'm looking for the perfect ink for the Pilot E95S. So I'm going to pack this up. Oh, real quick, this is Goulet Pens. I always send a sticker and a sucker. Piece of candy in there. There's always little treats that you can look forward to. So I'm going to pack this away, clean off my desk, and see what we're going to share next. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. These are just refills, gel pen refills that I won't open or mess with. Oh my goodness, I have like a lot of stuff. Woo. Opening packages is so much fun. Okay, I think I'm just going to share the plan for my swatch, and then I'll do the Simply Gilded unboxing in another video, because I like to make the videos quick. And so in the back of my Hobonichi Weeks, I have set up the system that I saw on the video Life as Me. She has a swatch page in the back. So she swatches on her print paper, which mine is, I'll show you what I print on for my ring binder. It's HP Premium 28 pound. It's a very smooth paper. And then I also have the heavier paper 32 pound, which is not in my planners at the moment. So I'm going to be swatching here, and then I'll use the glass pen to write with the ink and show you what it looks like. It'll be so pretty. But that idea, the swatch pages idea, was from Life as Me, and I'll tag that video for you so you can watch it. But thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me. I'm going to wrap this one up, and we're going to separate the video because I had too much happy mail in one day, if there's such a thing. Blessings.